All right, so you guys, I've been watering my stuff like every other day, and I don't know what's going on with this. One of them was it this one? Look at that. Again, I've been watering every other day. This plant seems to be doing fine because it's small, but the taller ones, I'm gonna have to like put a lot of water on them. And I have had this open so they don't get too much sun. But yeah, this is what everything is looking like right now. So like I said, I'm about to just go ahead and water these. Throughout this whole journey of me starting a garden, I'm not even gonna lie, it has been stressful. I thought gardening was supposed to be relaxing. I guess once I get the hang of it, it will be relaxing. But this gardening journey has been so stressful. I had high hopes for certain things that I just knew were going to do well and did not do well this gardening season for myself. So I thought my potatoes were going to do well and they didn't. I also thought the tomatoes were going to do well because, tomatoes are easy to grow. Obviously not for me though. So that is disappointing. It is really disappointing that I didn't get a larger harvest, but it's okay. Again, I know this is my learning season. If you guys can't hear me, I am sorry. I'm in the back with her AC unit going, so whatever that thing is called, that's called an AC unit. So I just watered everything. I think I'm gonna go back again and water everything again. Maybe I need to start watering stuff twice every time I come. Like I said, I've been coming every other day. I'm just gonna have to start coming every day if I can. Like, I'm gonna have to come every day. But the only thing is I get off late, and then I have to pick up my godson from daycare. And you guys, I borderline want to cry. I like the tomatoes. Like, I'm about to just give up on these. I'm gonna come back out this weekend. Today's Thursday. I'm gonna come back on Friday and I feel myself getting worked up. I'm about to cry. But like I said, I'm gonna come back out on Saturday and start clipping some of these dead leaves off. And what's crazy is my flowers are doing fine. Look at that. So beautiful. Beautiful. But the stuff that I actually want to eat, no. Absolutely not. We still have the grapevine, or whatever you want to call it, still in a grow bag. Still haven't found anything. We're hoping that stuff goes on sale. Let me actually get on camera. All right, so if it looks different, sorry. So we're hoping that stuff goes on sale, like so we can get raised beds and put them back here, because she's interested in gardening now too. So we are hoping again to get some raised beds and just put them back here ourselves. Also going to get a greenhouse. I still have not planted my stuff for the fall. I'm about to start just buying books instead of renting them from the library. I'm about to just start buying books. Usually I don't buy books, but I really need to buy some gardening books. But to see like when can I plant, I've been looking it up and I don't know when I'm supposed to plant. I'm about to just go ahead. Look at this dangle mosquito. Sorry you guys. He was going to town on me. Anyways, I am about to just look up and see when I am supposed to start. You know what? I'm not even gonna look it up. I'm about to just go ahead and plant these seeds. I'm probably too late, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm about to plant these seeds and we're just gonna see what happens. At this point, we're just gonna have to see what happens because you guys, I'm gonna come back. I can't come back out tomorrow, but I'm gonna come back out on Saturday and I'm gonna come back out on Sunday too. But right now, I'm about to water these again and pray that something good happens. All right, so I have watered them for a second time and I'm hoping that helps them. I'm also about to close the umbrella. I open and close the umbrella every other day. So the other day I had it closed. Today I have it open. So tomorrow I'm gonna have it closed closed as well. So that they're getting some sun, but not too much sun. I haven't invested in the shade cloth yet, you guys, because, I already spent a lot of money to begin my garden. But why is my tomato plants looking like something from like Halloween? Like, I know Halloween's in a couple of months, but it looks dead like it belongs on whatever. You know what? Forget it. I'm not even gonna complain. I'm not gonna stress myself out. It's my first year. I am still learning, but I'm so happy that this beauty is doing fine. She is doing great. So, and so are my flowers. So guess what? I kept 3 plants alive basically. You guys. All right, so let me go ahead and close this umbrella, and I will pick the camera back up to close out the video. Like I've been saying, I just have to get the hang of all of this. I am gonna get the hang of it. I was, you know what, you guys, I was actually debating if I actually wanted to do a fall garden, and I think I am, simply because I need to learn. So hey, so I'm gonna go ahead and just plant my seeds. I know I literally was just talking about something like, I don't know if I'm gonna plant it, but I am, because I have to learn. I can't just give up when it gets hard. No one said gardening was going to be easy, so I am about to just go ahead and plant my seeds, hopefully this weekend. I'm thinking, you guys, I'm hoping that I can plant them. You guys, I'm so used to recording with my my actual camera and not used to recording with my phone. I keep looking in the wrong area. But you guys, I do hope that I am able to plant some seeds real soon. Oh no, we'll see. Anyways, you guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys and complain in my next video. Bye.